how to make sure that we get views for our videos. So not just publish the videos, but get results from them. When I applied to TM Foundation, they thought I'm a video editor, but I do everything else besides video editing. I make sure that the video ranks, is click worthy, and therefore we build our authenticity and likability and increase the traffic from YouTube. This is the end goal. How do we do it? There are 3 major changes I proposed. 1. Settings on the published YouTube videos. Title, description, and tags are the most important components that will make the YouTube video searchable. To increase the ranking, we need to rewrite the title, description, and tags based on YouTube keyword research. I recommend using vidIQ and TubeBuddy for YouTube specific keyword research. 2. Thumbnail. A major increase in ranks can be achieved by showing up for first in the search results and not the 7th result as currently. YouTube thumbnail is crucial for increasing the click-through rate. 3. Advanced settings. After the video is created and published, the after work is also important. Handles, transcription, translation, end screen, and captions are very important and will increase our ranking and click-through rate. Measurement. The ranking and the entire traffic on each video are automatically measured by YouTube. All the components are 100% measurable and can be repeated in all other TM-related YouTube channels. Building our email list from YouTube organic traffic is highly recommended. Below each YouTube video, there has to be a link to build our email list from YouTube organic traffic. As soon as we build a list from it, it's in our control, and there is very little chance that after watching one video, someone will come to a TM. Therefore, we must get her email address and we can track number of new subscribers. Our email list is the main digital asset we have.